Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how easy it is to work with styles. Styles make development go by a lot faster because you can create presets for how your elements look and apply those presets to new elements that you add to your page, and your design is done that much faster. If you've noticed, anytime you add an element to the page, Bubble usually applies a default style that comes with your application. It's usually labeled something like standard button, standard text, things like that. You can change the style by clicking on this drop down and you'll see Bubble's presets, and this is also where you'll access any styles that you create. So you can create a style a couple different ways. If you remove the default that's been applied there, or if another style of yours has been applied, removing it will usually reveal a couple more styling options for you. So let's say I wanted to create a button that was a little bit darker in color there, and bold, my sizing is different, whatever it is, and now I want this to be a new style. I can go back to the style drop down at the very bottom of the list and create a new style right from there. And give it a name. I can say dark green button, like that. And definitely be as descriptive as possible with your style name so you know exactly what you're selecting. You'll notice that when you create a new style, you can even change the element that this will be applied to. You can also copy styles from existing elements on your page. So if I had another button that was styled differently, I could select that one and say, hey, I want to turn that button style into a new preset here. So I'll hit create, and now I can see my dark green button is a style from which I can choose. If I add a new button here, I can go back to my drop down, select it like that. And then of course you have your entire styles section of your editor for you to manage everything about all styles for all element types. And keep in mind that styles are just for the appearance of the element, which also includes any appearance changes that happens under conditions. So you can add conditions to styles, but they're only related to appearance properties. So nothing involving element input values or workflows or anything like that. I highly recommend you use styles when you're developing your application. Not only is it going to make your app cleaner and more optimized on the back end, because you're giving Bubble less work to do by applying single styles to multiple elements rather than giving every single thing their own appearance properties, but it's also just going to keep you moving through your design a lot faster, and it'll keep your application more uniform and consistent in an easy way. Hopefully this helps you build your application that much faster. If you want more tips just like this, head over to my site. There is a free download that you can get just by clicking the link in the description below, and you can download that guide there for free. Thanks so much for watching.